Greater than, less than, and equal to review, and numbers to 120, lessons 6 and 7 from Module 6. In this lesson, we will review greater than, less than, and equal to. We will learn about numbers from 100 to 120. You will need a paper and pencil for this lesson. Remember the alligator's mouth? This is what we're working with today. Which number is greater, and how do you know? If you look at your first place value chart, you have 10 tens and 0 ones. This place value chart has 5 tens and 0 ones. Which symbol should I use to compare these numbers? Write the symbol on your paper. 10 tens and 0 ones equals 100. So this chart represents 100. 5 tens and 0 ones equals 50. So this represents 50. 100 is greater than 50. Remember, your alligator always wants to eat the bigger number, so it's going to be open to the bigger number, which is right here, 100. This symbol is the less than symbol. 37 is less than 73. Notice that the alligator is eating the bigger number. This symbol is the equal sign. 75 equals 75. Notice that these two numbers are the same, so they are equal. Choose a symbol you think I should use to compare these two numbers and write it on your paper. 60 is less than 90. Notice the alligator is eating the 90 because it is the bigger number. Choose a symbol you think I should use to compare these two numbers and write it on your paper. "59 is greater than 52. Notice the alligator is eating the 59 because it is the bigger number. Choose a symbol you think I should use to compare these two numbers. Write it on your paper. 49 is less than 94. Notice that the alligator is eating the 94 because it is the bigger number. Choose a symbol you think I should use to compare these two numbers and write it on your paper. 39 is equal to 39. They both have a 3 in the tens place and a 9 in the ones place. Choose a symbol you think I should use to compare these two numbers and write it on your paper. 7 tens is equal to 70. 6 tens, 8 ones is equal to 68. So 70 is greater than 68. The alligator is eating the 7 tens because it is the bigger number. Choose a symbol you think I should use to compare these two numbers. Write it on your paper. 78 ones is equal to the number 78. 8 tens is equal to 80. So 78 is less than 80. The alligator is eating the 8 tens because it is the bigger number. Choose a symbol you think I should use to compare these two numbers and write it on your paper. 10 tens is equal to 100. So 100 is greater than 90. The alligator is eating the 10 tens because it is the bigger number. Choose a symbol you think I should use to compare these two numbers and write it on your paper. 5 tens, 6 ones is equal to 56. 6 ones, 5 tens is also equal to 56. Be careful, all they did was change the words. Instead of saying 6 tens and 5 ones, They put 6 ones. They put the ones first. So they are the same number, and we have to put the equal sign when we compare them. Now, let's learn about the numbers that come after 100. When we get to 100, the next number is, write it down on your paper. I have placed a 1 on top of the 100 card in the ones place. This is your ones, tens, hundreds place. We now have the number 101. What would be the next number? Write it on your paper. The next number would be 102. Continue the sequence on your paper all the way to 110. The next sequence of numbers to 110 is below. Check your work. Did you write 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, and 110? Now, continue the sequence on your paper starting at 110 and going all the way to 120. The next sequence of numbers to 120 is below. Check your work. Did you write 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120? This is a number chart to 120. Notice that when you get to the 100, the numbers just start right back over, but we have the 100 in front of it. So 101, 102. Here's your numbers 1 through 10. This is the same numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You just have the number 100 in front of it. In today's lesson, we reviewed greater than, less than, and equal to. Remember to think of the greater number in the greater and less than symbols like the alligator. The alligator always wants to eat the bigger number. We also learn about the numbers from 100 to 120. Remember that they just start back over with 100. So you would have 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120. Great work today, guys.